What is a device driver?
And what does it do?
Your computer is made of three major layers. We have the hardware layer, which are the physical parts, followed by the operating system layer, oftentimes referred to as OS, like Microsoft Windows, Linux, or Apple's OS X. And finally, the application layer, which is the layer you interact with. In a simplified version of this model, you interact with the application layer, which talks to the operating system layer. The operating system layer acts as a middleman between the application layer, what you do, and the hardware layer, the actual physical parts of your computer. Now, how many times have you plugged in or installed new hardware such as a printer, a scanner, a video card, or a network card for the computer to simply not recognize the new hardware or not work with full functionality? Well, that is where the device driver, or simply driver, comes into play. Let's imagine your operating system speaks English very well, and it is fairly well educated and can understand many different languages, but isn't fluent in them. Now, the most common and basic features on the computer hardware also speaks English, but not your new printer. No, your new printer only speaks French. Excuse me, sir. Could you please print this document twice and double-sided on the long edge, please? Quoi? Excuse me, monsieur. Tu peux imprimer la document flip-flop twice?
Hey, Richard! Il veut qu'on imprime le document, je pense.
You want la papier en tout? Document comes out twice, but not double-sided. Enters the printer driver, which acts as a translator built specifically for this device, speaking with the specific operating system. Excuse me, sir. Could you please print this document twice and double-sided on the long edge, please?
Pourrais-tu, s'il vous plaît, imprimer le document deux fois et recto verso?
Document comes out twice and printed double-sided. So, the driver acts as a translator between the device and operating system. It is specific to the hardware device and the operating system. Sometimes the operating system will be able to communicate with the new hardware without you needing to install specific drivers, because some basic ones already exist built in the operating system, and it will be enough to get it to do basic tasks. But it is always a good idea to install the correct driver for each pieces of hardware in the PC. These can usually be found on the hardware manufacturer's product page under the support tab. Thanks for watching.